Okay, tubes. I went with a larger ground cable for my MIG welder, and I've got these copper ends, Hobart brand, and I made up a crimping tool out of a nut. What I did was drilled a hole in it as best I could on center, and I've got a bolt here that slides right through, not threaded, so I want it to slide. And I put grooves in here at both opposite ends here, so I could get my connector back out. So let's do this. I'm going to set this up first in the vise here and tighten it up just snugly until I line everything up here. Okay, she's pretty much centered. I'm going to start cranking this. Now the reason why I went with a large bolt was because I wanted the backside. I wanted the backside still rounded. By the edge of the nut. So gives me a little bit of lines here from the threads of the nut, and one crimp is sufficient looking here. And I have heat shrink already in here. I guess I could have slid it lastly because it's larger, and I'm just going to heat shrink this up to here. So that is it. All you need is a drill. You drill out your nut hole, get another nut that slides in and out, and there you go. A homemade crimper. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps somebody. Bye and stay safe.